like a guest studio. At Urban Loop Studio, we make sure you're 100% confident in your design decisions. We use cutting-edge technology to bring your vision to life. First, our advanced 3D software creates detailed models of your space, showing exactly how each design element works together. No more guessing or worrying about unexpected outcomes. Next, we take it up a notch with virtual reality goggles, letting you walk through your home before it's built. Feel the layout, explore every room, and make adjustments with confidence. And if that's not enough, we project your floor plan at full scale in our warehouse. You can literally walk the space, measure the distances, and invite friends and family to share the experience. It's a powerful way to ensure every decision feels just right before construction begins. Ready to experience your dream home like never before? Let's make it a reality. Book your consultation today.